In the heart of the Baltics, where forests whisper and rivers remember, a nation once silenced found its voice again. February 16, 1918, a date etched in gold. The day Lithuania declared its independence from centuries of foreign rule. The day the spirit of a people was restored. 20 brave signatories. One bold declaration. The Act of Independence, signed in Vilnius, proclaimed a sovereign Lithuanian state, democratic, free, and rooted in its cultural soul. It wasn't just a political act. It was a spiritual awakening, a call to reclaim language, land, and legacy. Yellow for the sun and prosperity, green for the forests and hope, red for the bloodshed in defense of freedom. The Lithuanian flag is more than color. It's memory. And the Vitus, the White Knight, rides not just for battle, but for honor, resilience, and the soul of a nation. Though occupied again during World War II and the Soviet era, Lithuania's spirit never faded. Songs, stories, and silent resistance kept the flame alive. And in 1990, Lithuania became the first Soviet republic to declare independence once more, proving that restoration is not a moment, but a movement. At Flagademics, we honor Lithuania's restoration of the state not just as history, but as heritage, a reminder that freedom is fragile and identity is worth defending. To the youth of Lithuania and the world, your story matters. Your voice echoes. Your flag flies because others dared to raise it first. February 16th, a day of remembrance, a day of pride, a day when Lithuania stood tall and never looked back.